Caldwell Tower, Skylane 453, Sierra Golf, emergency ground, aircraft, inbound for landing with Papa.
Skylane 453, Sierra Golf, Caldwell Tower, winds are 240 at 10, gust 19er. I can give you any runway. Which one do you want?
I'll take 22, I'll do the right downwind 22, 3 Sierra Golf.
3 Sierra Golf, roger, enter right downwind runway 22.
Right downwind 22, 3 Sierra Golf.
And 3 Sierra Golf, what's the nature of your emergency?
Fuel dot from the fueling, I snagged the ladder and it's hanging off my right main gear.
Skylane 3 Sierra Golf, roger. So the plane's flying okay, but you're concerned about the landing?
Yeah, exactly, 3 Sierra Golf.
3 Sierra Golf, roger. I'll get airport ops ready.
Thanks, 3 Sierra Golf.
Airport ops, Caldwell Ground, are you on frequency? Airport ops, we have an emergency inbound. It's Skylane 453 Sierra Golf. The ladder is hanging out of the aircraft. The plane's flying okay now, but they're concerned about the landing. And they're going to be landing runway 22.
An emergency?
Affirmative.
Copy that.
Cessna 906. There is Skylane traffic currently ahead of you. Midfield right downwind runway 22. They are an emergency. They might have a landing issue, so be prepared to switch to runway 28 if we need you to.
All right, yeah, we got the traffic inside. We're lining up behind them, and we're ready to make any move necessary, 906.
Skylane 3 Sierra Golf, you're number 2 now. Your traffic's ahead and to your right on about a 2-mile final.
All right, looking for Sierra Golf. 3 Sierra Golf, turning base.
Skylane 3 Sierra Golf, roger.
Wind check.
Winds 240 at 10, gust 19er.
Hey, it's rolling good. I'll get on the Delta, 3 Sierra Golf.
3 Sierra Golf, roger. Turn left at Delta, safe parking.
That's Juliet, man, 3 Sierra Golf.
Skylane 3 Sierra Golf, roger. Taxi ramp Papa, November Juliet with me.
Papa November Juliet with you, 3 Sierra Golf.